In this lesson, we're going to look at how to download from the online platform a MYOB data file and open it in our MYOB accounting software. One of the previous lessons covers how to install MYOB, so you need MYOB installed first of all. So once we're logged into the online platform, I'll go into the bookkeeping course, and we'll choose, in this case, Certificate 4 in Bookkeeping, and we'll select a unit that has a data file. So for example, FNS BKG 403A, and we can see there's a file in here under student activity called Brock's Tire World. So I'll click on that file, and it will, in this case Chrome, automatically download the file to my downloads folder. If it prompts you, you'll need to choose a folder where to save it. So let's have a look what's happened here. We'll click Show in Folder, and you can see it's gone into my downloads, and that's in your favorites here on the left as well. Now I'm not going to open it from this downloads. I'm going to move that into a student folder that, again, in the folders chapter we learned how to create those. So let's right click and cut that file. We'll go to our C drive, and here it is, Cert4 Joe blog, and I don't have a folder there. I'm going to put it into the miscellaneous, but possibly I would have the unit, I would create a folder for the unit code. So let's right click and paste, and there's that Brock's Tire World in the C drive, Cert4 Joe blog, miscellaneous folder. Now once I have that file where I want it, I can open up MYOB. Now one of the easiest ways is to go to our Start menu, All Programs, and we'll scroll through here looking for MYOB, and here's our MYOB account right. Now depending on the version of course, but make sure you're using the Education Edition, so it should have Ed on the end. And it's just warning me here when I open MYOB, and it takes me to the MYOB account right plus. Now in this case I'm using 19.7, you might have a different version. I'll click Open, and now I need to browse to my C drive. So C drive, Cert4 Joe blog, miscellaneous folder, Brock's Tire World, double click or hit click Open. Now usually all the student files is the username administrator with no password, so we'll say OK, and we can see if I just go full screen, we now have that file open. Down the bottom right corner it does have the file name, and it's got the file extension there, .myo. When I close the file, or close MYOB, so it'll just prompt me there, be aware that MYOB automatically creates a file called .box. Now if you're emailing this file through as the assessment, you really only need to send the .myo file, and always check the date and time to see that will show the last time you had the file open. So it is 21st Jan today, 3:04 PM.